Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the Hextech keys on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just open your game to the right client. And as you open your game, you're in this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right top for the option store on this page and just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, all you have to do is again look at the top and select this option loot right here. And as you select it, just scroll all the way down where we can see the option right here, Hextech key. And also guys, you need RP points to get this Hextech key for yourself. So if you don't have the RP points, you can just purchase the RP points from the store. So guys, that's how you get the Hextech key on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.